What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So we finally have the OnePlus Pad here in the studio. We're gonna unbox it and I'm gonna share with you guys my first impressions on this device. And I also have the OnePlus Folio case that I'm going to be checking out as well. So without further delay, let's dive right in. All right, so starting off with the box, it has its signature OnePlus colored boxes with red and white, and we're getting a green colored OnePlus Pad. So that's how it looks. There's a little indentation around the sides of the picture of the OnePlus Pad. Right here, OnePlus Pad, okay, we just have some little small specs there. So we're getting a 11.61 inch, 144 hertz display. 144 hertz, finally. That's good, that's some good stuff. We're getting a 13 megapixel rear facing camera, which is centered. We're getting 8 gigs of RAM with the Dimensity 9000 chipset and 128 gigs of storage with this model. So here we go. Let's pull this out. It feels a little light, not too bad. So that is a big camera module. Wow. That is a big camera module. Anyway, I'm going to put it aside. Let's check out what else we have. Looks like we have some paperwork in here with OnePlus membership card. Okay, let's just quickly put that aside. Then we have right here the USB-C to USB-A charger, as well as, if I can pull it out, right here, the charging brick for the OnePlus Pad. So this has a 9,510 milliamp hour battery, and it has 67 watts wired charging. So 0 to 100% in pretty much about an hour-ish. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. It's good that OnePlus is adding a charging brick to their unboxing experience, because now we're seeing even tablets get rid of them, which is kind of upsetting. Anyway, let's put all of this aside. Let's take a look at the actual tablet. There we go. And we're just going to directly slide it out if we can. If not, then I guess we're going to just do this. Here we go. Wow. Okay, hold up. That is a really nice green. That is a nice shade of green. I actually like how this looks. OnePlus Pad. Oh, wow. So it has a front-facing camera right here in the center, and it does have the power buttons, or the volume buttons, excuse me, right here, as well as the power button on. If you're holding a landscape on the left side, if you're holding it vertical, then it's on the top right. But it's pretty much, as well as USB-C, and we got a quad speaker setup. It's pretty much meant to hold it in landscape orientation. We do have some smart pin connectors right there. And let's also check out the OnePlus Folio case before we actually turn on the device. So let's go ahead, open up the OnePlus Folio case. There is a keyboard as well as a OnePlus stylus. I did not pick those up. I only picked up the Folio case. This is also in green. Let's go ahead and pop in the OnePlus Pad. Okay, magnetically connects. There we go. So I can use it like this if I want. I can use it like that. And I can pretty much use it at 3 main different angles. But obviously with OnePlus Folio case, the main thing is to close it up, right? Then when you open it, if you need to get some work done, pop it out and you're all set to go. This does feel really good in the hand. Let's boot up OnePlus Pad and I'll see you guys very shortly. See, it even boots up in landscape orientation. So we know that this OnePlus Pad was meant to be used more so in landscape orientation, but I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so here it is, the OnePlus Pad. Feels really good in the hand, first of all, let me just tell you that. And I like this display. Now it's not an OLED, it's an LCD display, but that's okay. That's okay. Now it goes to max brightness of 500 nits. And the one thing I want to go check out first is I'm going to go into, where is it? To check the refresh rate. So screen refresh rate high, a maximum refresh rate of 144 Hertz for smoother animations and operations, or you can go the standard of 60 Hertz. But I mean, come on, they put the 144 Hertz in there, and are you gonna really conserve battery? They have good battery life anyway with most tablets, and that includes OnePlus Pad. They're bringing their fast charging to this device, so that's a huge plus. Now, Dimensity 9000, I have some thoughts about it. I kind of wish they went with a Snapdragon chipset, but I'm gonna continue to use this device, and I'll let you guys know, give you guys an update on how the chipset works. For what I have read, it performs pretty good. It's not Snapdragon quality like, but it still performs really good. This is priced at $479, so if you do want to check it out, I'll be leaving a link in the description below. But I'm going to be using this, testing it out, playing some games on here, definitely using it for YouTube and media consumption. I mean, this is a device that I would use for media consumption and for productivity to get work done. But I also want to look into the app optimization and how good it is with the OnePlus Pad. It's their first tablet device. Samsung has been making tablets for years. So has Apple. So they have had that time to optimize the apps for their tablets, but this is the first for OnePlus. So we're gonna see how it works out. Again, we have Oxygen OS here, but it looks a lot like Oppo's Color OS, but that's okay. Let's turn off silent mode. Let's put that on so it doesn't bring any extra noise, but here we go. OnePlus Pad, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. I'm really excited for the 144 Hertz and just testing it out. If you did enjoy this unboxing of the OnePlus Pad, be sure to superman the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. These types of videos are all possible thanks to you guys for supporting the channel. I'm able to check out these types of products. It's always been a goal of mine when I was much younger that one day I'm going to sit down and check out the latest products and share my thoughts and opinions on them. And all of your support by subscribing, commenting, sharing videos and whatnot, you guys have been able to make my dream become a reality. Thank you all so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.